Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, so I hope that you do remember what you have learned in previous lesson. If you want to revise that again, you can always watch the lesson again. Okay, now let's begin. Let's learn how to say the name of this animal in Urdu. In English, we say rabbit or bunny, and in Urdu, khargosh. Khargosh. In English, this animal is called rabbit or bunny, and in Urdu, khargosh. Khargosh. Rabbit, khargosh. Repeat many times for practice. Okay, now the color of the rabbit is white. Well, there are other colors as well sometimes, but the color of this rabbit that we just saw was white. In English we say white, and in Urdu, safed. Safed. White, safed. Repeat many times and learn, okay? The color white, in Urdu, safed. Okay, now we say what? When we ask a question, we say what, and in Urdu, kya? Kya? Also, we say ask a question and say do you? Do you? In English, right? And how do we say that in Urdu? Well, in Urdu we say kya aap? Kya aap? Do you? Kya aap? Then we say like. When we like something, in English we say I like it. The word like. How to say like in Urdu? Well, in Urdu we say pasand. Pasand. Like, pasand. Let's repeat all these words one more time, okay? In English we say what? In Urdu, kya? In English then we say do you? And in Urdu, kya aap? Then in English we say like, and in Urdu, pasand. Pasand. Repeat and revise, okay? Alright, now let's revise again. The word is. In English we say is, and we use it for one thing. When we are talking about singular or one thing or a person, we say is. That is in English. And in Urdu we say hai. Hai. The voice comes right from your throat. Hai. Okay? Then we say are. In English we say are. When we are talking about more than one thing or plural, we say are. That is in English. And in Urdu we say hain. Hain. Just hold your nose and say hain. So let's repeat one more time. Is in English, and in Urdu, hai. Then are in English, and in Urdu, hain. Just do remember this, alright? Now let's learn a few sentences. Okay? We ask, do you like it? In English we ask and say, do you like it? And in Urdu it is, क्या आपको ये पसंद है? क्या आपको ये पसंद है? Do you like it? क्या आपको ये पसंद है? We reply and say, yes, I like it. That is in case if you like whatever is asked about. You say, yes, I like it. And in Urdu, how you say that? Well, you say, जी हाँ, ये पसंद है. जी हाँ, ये पसंद है. And then, if you don't like it, then you say, no, I don't like it. No, I don't like it. And in Urdu, it is, नहीं, ये पसंद नहीं है. नहीं, ये पसंद नहीं है. I hope you do remember yes and no in Urdu. Yes is जी or जी हाँ, and no is नहीं. Alright, do repeat and revise these sentences. Let's do it one more time, okay? So we say, do you like it? And in Urdu it is, क्या आपको ये पसंद है? क्या आपको ये पसंद है? Then if you like it, then you say, yes, I like it. And in Urdu it is, जी हाँ, ये पसंद है. जी हाँ, ये पसंद है. But if you don't like it, you say, no, I don't like it. And in Urdu it is, नहीं, ये पसंद नहीं है. नहीं, ये पसंद नहीं है. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, now let's learn to say 26 and 27 in Urdu. So in English we say 26 and in Urdu 26. 26. 26. 26. 26. Then in English we say 27. And in Urdu it is 27. 27. 27. 27. Now let's repeat one more time. 26. 26. 27. 27. 27. Repeat and learn, okay? Alright, so this is the end of our today's lesson. I will meet with you into the next lesson with next video, inshallah. Till then, watch the video, repeat many times for practice. Take care of yourself. Remember in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.